In today's video, I'm going to teach you full process to install and set up Capcut. We'll go through the exact sequence to download, verify, and launch the application using the Microsoft Store on Windows. This is a simple process, but following it in order helps make sure you install the correct app and get it open successfully without confusion. To begin, go to your taskbar and click the Start menu, or the Windows icon. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store into the search bar. You should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the search results. Click that app icon to open it. Give it a moment to load fully so everything displays correctly before moving on. Now that the Microsoft Store is open, click the search bar at the very top of the store window. Type Capcut, then press the Enter key on your keyboard to run the search. When the results appear, look carefully for Capcut, video editor published by Capcut. This is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the correct application and not a similarly named result. Once you've opened the app page, click the blue Get or Install button. After that, the download will begin. At this stage, just wait for the progress bar to finish. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a little time, so be patient and avoid closing the store window while it completes. When the download is done, you should see a green Open button. Click Open to launch Capcut for the first time. If the button appears, that confirms the app has downloaded successfully and is ready to use. That's the full process. By opening the Microsoft Store, searching for the correct Capcut app, downloading it, and then launching it from the Open button, you can complete the setup smoothly and make sure everything starts the right way.